Did you know that 3,000 liters of water can run off a 100-meter squared roof during a heavy rain? And even more. That's enough to fill 30 standard bathtubs. Where does this water go? Often into the sewage system, which is not always sufficient, especially during heavy rainfall. And that means overloaded sewer systems, streets full of puddles, flooded driveways, and basements. During periods without rain, we have the opposite problem: drought. The solution is a rain garden. It's a small infrastructure with great potential. For example, a 100 square meter roof requires only 3 square meters of rain garden to retain rainwater effectively. With light rain, the rain garden begins to absorb water. Plants take it to grow, and the rest soaks into the upper layers of soil. That's about 100 liters of water, roughly the amount a bathtub can hold. The garden fills to its capacity with heavier rainfall, holding up to 1,000 liters of water. Any excess water is gently drained away. In a downpour, the garden exceeds its maximum capacity. Therefore, the excess water overflows into the drain pipe, preventing flooding. Imagine if rain gardens occupied only 3% of the land plots in each municipality. This would help prevent local flooding and relieve the burden on sewers, and also keep more water in the soils for times of drought. It's a simple solution that works. It retains water, improves the local microclimate, and reduces the risk of flooding. Learn more on the Senzimir Foundation website and create your own rain garden.